Good morning, folks. Today we are continuing our chapter coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have seen the distance formula. Let us see some more question on the distance formula. Then we will be moving towards the section formula. I am taking question number 7 from exercise 7.1. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Question says that we have to find out the point on the x-axis. This is our x-axis. This is y. We have to identify the point on the x-axis. Let the point be x, 0. On x-axis, y-axis is 0. So this point will be x, 0. Let the 2 point will be 2, -5 and -2, 9. -2, 9. Now one more condition is given in that find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Let this point be A, B, C, means AB is equal to BC. Equidistant from each other. Now applying the distance formula in AB, x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Applying the distance formula for AB, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to, for BC, applying the distance formula, x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. Substituting the values, x2 is x minus of -2 will be +2 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 9 whole square is equal to x3 is -5 x3 is 2 minus x whole square plus y3 is -5 minus y2 is 0 whole square. This under root will get cancelled out. X plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square will be open a by the identity a plus b whole square, x square plus 2ab plus b square minus 9 square will be 81 is equal to 2 minus x whole square. It can be written as 2 square minus 2ab plus b square minus 5 square will be 25. Now x square will get cancelled out with this x square. Solving for the remaining terms, 2 2s are 4x plus 4 plus 81 is equal to 2 2s are 4 minus 4x plus 25. Solving these two terms, we will be getting 29 minus 4x. Solving this, we will be getting 85 plus 4x. Taking this 4x in the left hand side, 4x plus 4x is equal to 29 minus 85. So 4x plus 4x will be 8x 29 minus 85 will be 56 minus 56, x is equal to minus 56 by 8. Solving this, 7 is x is equal to minus 7 is the required solution. We have given with the point on x-axis, means the coordinate will be x comma 0, and we have given with the 2 points minus 2 comma 9 and 2 comma 5, which is equidistance, means the distance between them is equal. By applying the distance formula, we have to solve in this manner. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 8 of exercise 7.1. Find the value of y for which the distance between 2 comma minus 3 and 10 comma y is 10 units. Let us see the solution of this. Now question says that find the value of y for which the distance between the point P is 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y, the distance is 10 units. Applying the distance formula between these two, this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. Distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This distance r is given 10 units. Under root of x2 is 10 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is y minus of minus 3 will be plus 3 whole square. Taking the under root in the left hand side, this will be 10 square is equal to 10 minus 2, 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Solving this, 10 square will be 100, 8 square will be 64 plus y square plus 2 into 3 into y plus 3 3 is a 9. 100 minus 64 minus 9 is equal to y square plus 6y. Solving this, 64 plus 9 will be 73. 100 minus 73. Solving this, we will be getting 27 y square plus 6y. Taking this 27 in the right hand side, y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0. Now solving this quadratic equation with the splitting the middle term, 27 can be written as by prime factorization, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. 9 minus 3 plus 9 y minus 3y is minus 27 is equal to 0. Solving the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. Taking the y common from this will be y square y plus 9. Taking minus 3 common from this, y plus 9. Now taking y plus 9 common, y plus 9 in bracket we will get y minus 3. So our answer will be y is equal to minus 9 comma 3. So this is the required solution. Now let us move to the next topic. Section formula. Now section formula is suppose we are having 2 points, point A and point B. Coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. One more point C is at in between these 2 points. Suppose the point C is in between these 2 points and its coordinates are x comma y. And this point C, which is in between this point A and B, it is dividing the 2 points in m1 ratio m2. This is m1, this is m2. This point C is dividing the line AB in 2 ratios, m1 ratio m2. We have to identify the coordinates of x and y. We have to identify the coordinates of x and y. So the coordinates will be x is equal to, first you have to write m1 now x is equal to first m1 plus m2 upon m1 plus m2. First you have to write m1 plus m2, m1 plus m2. Here x2, x1. This is x is equal to. Now similarly for y is equal to y2 m1 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This formula we have to use for section formula. Here m1 and m2 are the ratios and x1, x2 are the coordinates of point A and x2, y2 is the coordinates of point B and point C is having the coordinates x comma y. Let us see the question based on this section formula. Question says that find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1,7 minus 1,7 minus 1,7 and one more point is given 4, minus 3. 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. In the ratio 2:3. So M1 ratio M2 is given 2:3. 2 points, point A and point B is given. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now using the section formula, x is equal to m1 m2 upon m1 m2 plus x2 plus x1. Substituting the values, you will be getting m1 is 2, x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is minus 1 upon 2 plus 3. 2 4 is 8 minus 3 upon 5. So this will be 5 by 5 cancel out, it will be 1. So the value of x is 1 by the section formula. Similarly, solving for the y, y is equal to m1 m2 upon m1 m2 plus this is y2 y1. Now substituting the values, you will be getting 2 into y2 is minus 3 now plus y1 is 7 into m2 is 3 upon m1 plus m2 will be 2 plus 3, which will be 5. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 7 3 is 21 upon 5. Solving this, we will be getting 15 by 5. Cancel out this, we will be getting 3. So y is equal to 3. 1, 3 is the required point for the given question. Now let us move to the next question. Next question says that find the ratio in which the line segment joining point A 1, minus 5. Point A is given 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5. Point B is minus 4, 5 is divided by x-axis. X-axis means x, 0. Find the coordinates of the point of division. First we have to find out m1 ratio m2 also and x, 0. These two things we have to identify. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now solving for first for y. Y is equal to m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is y2 y1. Substituting the values, here y is 0. M1 we don't know, y2 is 5 plus m2 is, we have to identify, and y1 is minus 5 upon m1 plus m2. Taking this m1 plus m2 in the numerator, so 0 into m1 plus m2 will be 0 is equal to 5 m1 minus 5 m2. Taking this minus 5 m2 in the left hand side, 5 m2 is equal to 5 m1. Taking this 5 in the denominator and m2 in the denominator, 5 by 5 is equal to m1 by m2. Further solving this, we will be getting m1 by m2 is equal to 1:1. So this will be 1:1. First value is being found out by this method. m1 by m2 is equal to 1:1. Now let us find out the value of x. So x can be given by m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is plus x2 x1. Substituting the values, we will be getting x is equal to m1 is 1 into x2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1, x1 is 1 upon m1 plus m2 is 1 plus 1. Solving this, we will be getting minus 4 plus 1 upon 2. So this will be 3 by minus 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and m1 ratio m2 will be 1:1. So these are the two required solution of the given equation. I hope you got the idea of today's section formula. We will be continuing tomorrow. Thank you.